how to use your handheld magnifier. Hello. Today we are going to learn how to use your new handheld magnifier to help you with reading. Your magnifier may be of a different model, but the principles presented in this video will be the same. This video will guide you through each step to learn how to use your magnifier properly. You can press pause at any time or rewind if you wish to review a step. First step, prepare your environment. Before you start reading, gather all necessary items, such as your glasses if needed, your handheld magnifier, your reading support if you use one. Note that a ring binder can also be used as a reading support. And finally, your reading material. Pick a quiet place to sit so that you can concentrate. If there's a window in the room, sit either with your back to the window or with the window to your side. Make sure your surroundings are well lit. Turn on your ceiling light or a floor lamp if necessary. However, be careful not to create reflections in the lens of your magnifier. To turn on the magnifier, slide the button towards the lens. You can turn the magnifier over and check that the light is on. If you notice a decrease in brightness or power, try replacing the batteries. In many models, you'll find the batteries in the handle. The magnifier is now ready for use. Step 2. Use your handheld magnifier. Pick up your magnifying glass, hold the handle like a toothbrush, and place the magnifier over the text. Adjust the distance between the magnifier and the text until the letters are clear. The distance you need to place your hand depends on the power of the magnifier. The more powerful the magnifier, the closer it needs to be to the text. To find the right distance, place the magnifier on the text, then slowly lift it up until the text becomes clear under the magnifier. It may take a few moments to find the best position. You can also rest your elbow on the table to reduce shoulder fatigue and maintain a constant distance between the magnifier and the paper. If the text is still blurred, you could try looking through the magnifier with just one eye. The smaller the diameter of the magnifier, the more advantageous it is for you to bring your eye closer to the magnifier to maximize the field of vision. Keep the magnifier at the right distance for your eyes and move it slowly from left to right to follow the lines of text. When you reach the end of the line, move back to the left along the same line before moving down to the next one. This will help you avoid skipping lines. Step 3. Clean and store your magnifier. After using your magnifier, remember to turn off the light. To turn off the magnifier, slide the button towards the end of the handle. To care for your magnifier, clean it with a soft cloth and eyeglass cleaner. Store your magnifier in a safe place to prevent damage. Make sure it's not stored too far away, so that your magnifier is always within easy reach. Here's a summary of the steps involved. Step 1. Prepare your environment. In short, make sure your surroundings are well lit and quiet. If there's a window in the room, sit with your back or side to the window. Gather your reading materials. Step 2. Use your handheld magnifier. Switch on the magnifier. Place the magnifier in your face at the right distance from the text you wish to read. Move back over the line you've just read to follow the text. Step 3. Clean and store your magnifier. Switch off the magnifier and store it in a safe place. If you notice any problems with the magnifier, or if it breaks, please contact the rehabilitation center that provided you with the magnifier. We hope this video will help you to use your handheld magnifier effectively in your everyday activities.